Very thankful for this ink. Great quality and quick to receive. Very easy to install. The cartridges are of high quality. The printing is great, just as good as the manufacturers. It was easy to install, no issues, and the print looks really as good as OEM. Very satisfied. Easy to work with for installation and works well. Would order again. I had $170 worth of printer ink in my cart when Amazon's suggestions of similar items came up, and I decided to read about Smart Ink, which was compatible with my printer. It was huge savings, so I decided to give it a try. I'm so glad I did. So far the quality is the same as the name brand toner that was in my printer. Huge savings. Shipping was fast too. I'm very happy that I decided to try Smart Ink. Excellent color. Very clear pruning for black also. Its price. Very good product. Click link in description for more reviews.